Prop trading offers exciting opportunities to take your trading to the next level. But with so many prop trading firms out there, why should you choose Fintokei? In this video, we'll give you 5 simple reasons. At Fintokei, our mission as an evaluation prop firm is to provide you with everything you need to accelerate your trading success. Don't know how to trade? Our extensive education section in the My Fintokei Client Zone can help. Don't have enough capital to make trading interesting? Complete our evaluation, and we'll provide you with an account. The capital is virtual, but show us you can trade, and we'll reward your performance with real money. No matter where you are on your trading journey, Fintokei will help you reach new levels. Among the many prop trading firms today, Fintokei stands out for one simple reason. It's built on a rock-solid foundation. Fintokei is part of a large ecosystem of fintech companies called Purple Group, which, among others, includes forex brokers and a payment development company. This means Fintokei clients can trust they are trading with a company run by professionals with extensive industry experience and backed by cutting-edge technology. Fintokei is simply built to last. We reward your trading journey, not just your payouts. With the Fintokei loyalty program, every trade counts. You earn XPs for being active, for trading, completing missions, pushing forward. This way, you can level up through tiers, unlock powerful boosts, more freedom with higher daily and maximum loss limits, higher trading capital, better performance reward ratios, even free prop trading challenges. The more determined you are, the faster you accelerate. We reward action, not only success. Keep trading, keep leveling up, and enjoy better conditions with every step. Fintokei isn't just a challenge, it's your journey to becoming a stronger, more confident trader. We strive to give our traders the confidence, technical skills, and environment they need to find their own trading path. Fintokei is your playground, where you can develop your own trading strategy, follow your trading plan, and aim for steady results. Whether your strategy involves trading volatility during high-impact market news or using trading robots, just show us you can produce consistent results, and we'll support you 100%. Consistently profitable clients can count on bi-weekly performance rewards arriving in their bank accounts within 1 to 2 business days. We pay an average of around $3,000. And if you're into cryptocurrencies, you can withdraw your performance rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, and USD Coin. At Fintokei, we strive to offer the best conditions to boost your trading and reach new levels. These are just a few of the many ways we do it. Are you ready to accelerate your trading success? Choose the program that suits you and show us what you've got.